Coffee stain on the mat. He kept his old Saints cap on the cracked vinyl back. We drove past the fairgrounds, past the fence by the creek. He said, "Girl, you look like you ain't slept in a week." And the moon caught the hood like a silver ring. He turned that key and said one thing: "In Austin's truck, I forgot my hurt. In Austin's truck, you can't fake that word. Oh, in Austin's truck, windows down, my heart unwound. In Austin's truck, I was lost then found." There was red dirt on my boots, and his shirt smelled like rain. He sang off key at that old Luke Bryan refrain. I laughed so hard I cried on his sleeve. He said, "Baby, take your time, you don't have to leave." And the headlights washed that two-lane road. He squeezed my hand, so I let go. In Austin's truck, I forgot my hurt. In Austin's truck, you can't fake that word. Oh, in Austin's truck, windows down, my heart unwound. In Austin's truck, I was lost and found. Maybe it was night, maybe it was him. Maybe it was the way that the world got thin. But I still see that bench seat and that worn-out grin every time that old town pulls me back again. In Austin's truck, I forgot my hurt. In Austin's truck, you can't fake that word. Oh, in Austin's truck, windows down, my heart unwound. In Austin's truck, I was lost and found. In Austin's truck, oh, in Austin's truck, I was lost and found.